Right, I've had this helmet a while, so it's about time I did that review I said I'd do when I first bought the helmet. It's the Advant X by LS2 Helmets in matte black, and it comes really well presented, to be honest, and it comes with quite a few extras. So it comes in this very fetching camouflage rucksack. Which also has it comes with a spare visor, a black visor and a clear visor, and the visor goes into this bit. So pretty useful, I think you'll find. Inside here, helmet in a very nice case, very nice cover. Put that back in there, all the way. And it also comes with one of these rings. It's a blow-up ring, helmet support. So when you're working on your helmet, when you're changing your visor or cleaning the interior or whatever, put it on there, doesn't roll off. So it's a very useful helmet support. And here is the LS2 Advant X flip front helmet. And a very nice looking helmet it is indeed. And of course the beauty of this is, from one button on the bottom, it flips right back. Right, so I think some of the others like Shoei and what have you, just flip to about there. And the disadvantage of that is you can't really do anything more than, I don't know, 30 miles an hour with the chin piece up in that position, whereas this one, with it going all the way back, it becomes aerodynamic and you can ride up to a decent speed with this position. Obviously the full visor will then go down, or full up, and on the side here is the little slider for the integral sun visor, which is a must for a helmet nowadays. I'll show you that again. So just there is the little slider. Padding's lovely, thick, very comfortable. It has the removable padding, removable interior, whatever you want to call it, to put all your wires and your earpieces in, so it's designed with all that in mind. It's also got a very good visor quick release system, which again is just a little knob and take it out, push it back in, really quick to change the visor over. I'll just show you that again. There's a little slider just there, you just pull it back, and lift the visor out, push it back in, clicks into place. So that's a really quick visor change. And like I say, this one actually came with a black visor as well. But with having the integral visor, don't really use it. Black visor looks really good though. So what we'll do now is we'll go for a little ride since it's sunny, and we'll talk a bit more about it. So why did I buy this helmet? Well, the reason is, it's a flip up. The good thing about the flip up helmet is, on this particular one, is it flips right back, which means you can actually ride up to a fair speed within the open position. Wouldn't advise that, but there's only this one and I think one other, oh no, two others that do it. But we'll put it down for now. And it's just a simple little push button, it's really easy. It's also got the lovely little retractable sun visor. So yeah, it's a feature-packed helmet, and although it's not as light as a full-face helmet, it is quite light. I think it's 1600 grams. But it is a big helmet. You can probably see it's actually quite wide. And one of the first things I noticed with it being quite a wide helmet is the wind noise you get from it. In fact, there's so much wind noise that on a journey I'll be using earplugs, because it can be a bit too loud. But it's got a good field of vision. It's nice and wide. But one of the other drawbacks with it being wide is you look back to your lifesavers. It's quite a big helmet, this. And I found on my bigger bike, I've put some little blind spot mirrors on each of the wing mirrors. I mean, I'll still do the look back, but you can't really get your head round to do a proper check. Bit of a shame, really. Lovely fin helmet. It's one of the best fin helmets I've actually had. It's got the nice, simple, quick release strap, which I like. I'm not a big fan of the D-rings, although I understand they are more secure. It's a lovely sunny day for a ride out along the front of Redcar. And again, with it being a flip front helmet, you can use a GoPro mount on the front of your helmet to get that POV view. So I think I have to stick with either a chest mount or a shoulder mount, or just keep with the mirror mounts. So yeah, it's 1600 grams. It's not the lightest helmet you can buy. And if I had the choice again, I would spend that extra little bit, well, extra lot in this case, to get the carbon fibre helmet. And now Jan, the partner, she's just ordered one, not an LS2, it's the EXO blah 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 one, and she's gone for the carbon fibre one, and it really is a nice helmet. So I would advise going carbon fibre, just keep that bit of weight down. With it being quite a modern helmet as well, it's got the little space to put your ear pads in for your intercoms. It's also very important. Right, another thing about this helmet which I'm not too keen on is to flick the front back to the down position. You have to have the visor up. Well, actually, if you can do it yourself, it'll pull the visor up. You see there, the visor goes up, clicking that position, then bringing the visor back down again. It's a bit of a mess about really, but you get used to it, I suppose. Yeah, sunny day today. Oh, another scooter. Is that Craig? So yeah, the Advant helmet, I actually quite like the design. I think it's quite modern. It's very angular. But with it being angular, it makes it very difficult to add GoPros to. And to add the card or pack torque to. You might be able to see I've had to put it quite a long way back to find a flat enough surface to stick the mount to. Similar story with the wireless intercom, which I'm hoping to take off if the card or pack torque works as good as I think it will do for recording both myself and the pillion when we do our tours. What do I like about it? So what I like about it is the fact that it's a flip front. It goes all the way back, which means you can travel at a decent speed with it up. It has the retractable sun visor. Brilliant. Put that back down. I like the design of it. It's quite a modern design, and the interior is very comfortable. It's a nice snug fit, and it's designed to take loudspeakers, ear speakers, whatever you want to call them, for your intercoms. Things I don't like about it, well actually, although I like the design being quite a modern design, it makes it very difficult to attach things to the side or the front of the helmet. So the card or pack torque's mounted way back there. GoPro I can't really fit on anyway because it's just too awkward. With it being a wide helmet, I just can't get those look backs in properly, so I've had to put blind spot mirrors on the side there. And again, I think with it being a wide helmet and so styled, it just catches the wind a lot, and that means you get a lot of wind noise. You get quite a bit of buffeting again, maybe that's the shape, or maybe it's the fact that I've just got no windscreen, especially on the bigger bike. But the wind noise is the big thing. So that's what I like and don't like about them. Would I buy it again? Well, I probably would actually, but I would definitely go for the carbon fibre version. that weight saving of about, I think it's 200 grams or so, I think will make a big difference. Alright, that's it for this video then, just a quick one. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up please, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos similar to this. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.